How am I in cool canyons? So that's going to be the end of the video. I can not click on this chest. So yeah, I'm going to go now. Bye. All the items I got going to the crossbow and up. So yeah, bye. I'll do one more game of Forgotten Desert. I'll show you the prizes, then I'm going to actually end the video. So guys, that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed, please give it a like and subscribe. These are the 4 items Wait. Yeah, these are... I only got 3 items. I'm pretty sure I'm meant to get 4. Oh, I know why. I missed the whole one. Roots. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Should I? Is that worth it? Nah.